no, 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 no. Oh, look at the top of his head.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Janae Monet and I hope you're having an awesome day. So today I'm going to be installing my first wig, my first frontal, y'all. I'm really nervous. I watched a couple of videos on it. It's just the melting part that makes me a little nervous, you know. But yeah, that's the only thing that bothers me just a tad bit. So yeah. So the wig is by Love Me Hair. I actually had this for months, y'all. Cause I was like, I'm gonna start wearing wigs, and then I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. That ain't me. But then I was like, girl, you used to get your bundles, remember? And you felt beautiful. And I really did. I love my bundles, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the wig. It came in this nice bag. So it came with a comb. I used it. Cause I was like, oh my god, I got a free comb. So I used it. They sent me Barbie pins. And then a nice little barrette. It's not a barrette. It's like a hair clip. Y'all know what this is. I don't think I'm gonna use it though. What else did they send? They sent me some tweezers just in case I need to pluck. But I don't know what I'm doing if I pluck. So yeah. They sent me the clamp to put in the back. What else? And they sent me these nice Love Me curling irons. I really don't know how to use them, to be honest with you. Oh my god, girl, it got a little clamp. It's for the crimps. One side is clamp, one side is flat iron. I guess you can just wrap the hair around it. Honey, we'll see. And then they sent me a hair wax stick, you know, to lay it down or whatever. Y'all, I'm literally breaking out. I think it's because I'm stressed. Stress breakout, I believe. But yeah, y'all. Let's get into this video. I'm not the best at braiding, so if it don't look perfect, don't come for me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Period. Follow me on TikTok.
If we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my
No, 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 no. Ah, look at the top of his head. No, 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 no. Ah, look at the top of his head.